Arshad Sharif was a Pakistani journalist, writer, and a TV anchor. He specialized in investigative journalism and covered many political events in the country for national and international news organizations, including the United Kingdom. On 23rd March 2019, he was awarded the Pride of Performance by the President Alawi for his contributions to journalism. He was killed on 23rd October 2012. Arshad Sharif was born in Karachi, Pakistan to a commander of the Pakistan Navy, Muhammad Sharif. He began his journalistic career as a freelancer in 1993. While he was still a student, he received his Master of Science in Public Administration from Quaid-e-Azam University, Islamabad. Arshad Sharif's father, Commander Muhammad Sharif, died on a heart attack at the Armed Forces Institute of Cardiology in May 2011. His younger brother, Major Ashraf Sharif, was killed when his car veered off the road on his way to attend the funeral of their father in May 2011. On hearing about the death of his father, Major Ashraf Sharif left Bannu. A few kilometers away, his vehicle veered off the road and hit a tree, killing him on the spot. Commander Muhammad Sharif and Major Ashraf Sharif were laid to rest with full military honors at the H11 graveyard. Sharif also headed Aaj News and Dunia TV as Director News. He worked as a bureau chief of Dan News in 2011. His first media job was with a weekly publication, Pulse. He served as a columnist, reporter, and managing director in 1999. Arshad Sharif joined the news in 1999 and Daily Dawn in 2001. Sharif covered conflicts in the federally administered tribal areas with the specialization in defense and foreign affairs. He reported for leading Pakistani news organizations from London, Paris, Strasbourg, and Kyle. He is the winner of a 2012 Agahi Award. Sharif as an anchor and Adil Raja as producer won the 2016 Investigative Journalist of the Year Award for the program Power Play. In 2018, Sharif won the Current Affairs Anchor of the Year Award. Sharif started his program Power Play on ARY News in 2014. The program focused on giving viewers new information rather than having discussions. Pride of Performance awarded in 2019 by the President of Pakistan. Agahi Award for Journalism in 2012. Sharif was